Morning world. Second day of the week and off to work. Hong Wei is sad. Tell us why you're sad, Mr. Hong.
Because my friends left.
Aww. See, Van, Jason, you see what you do? Hong Wei has to go eat breakfast by himself.
Hi, Imran.
What up, bitches?
So we're going to Kotor to Jason's farewell lunch. Yes, and like 27 of us are going. So I think like we just about booked the place.
This video is for who? For what? How many people is gonna watch this? Which YouTube channel is gonna be up? You tell me first.
All of 5. Watipu.
Yeah, 200 views. For what? What's the point?
Is an angsty Jacob.
Yeah, because no close sales this week, okay?
Okay, he's an angsty Jacob. That's angsty Jacob. Hi, Imran.
Hi.
Are you angsty?
No, I'm not angsty. I'm not angsty at all.
Why are you not angsty?
Because I'm not Jacob.
So do you close a lot of sales? Okay, sorry, no.
No need. Glad only. I have not done my persuading.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Imran.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey, didn't we already order?
What? You already ordered?
Already ordered.
We must have a diversity.
Oh yeah, you already.
Yeah.
我们每次你敢敢让你试吧 I want with you. Where's your t-shirt?
I was wearing it yesterday.
Why are you wearing a shirt?
I don't know. Yesterday I was wearing a t-shirt.
要有一个我们的 logo 在这边，那我们这边上个一个
Because that's just how things are. Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Hong. And today on somebody's t-shirts, Jian, what does that t-shirt mean?
Something bought.
Bomberman?
Tag bought.
Oh, Tapbot.
Yeah. Tag bought.
Where do you get that shirt from?
Bought from a website called Cotton Bureau.
Oh, Cotton Bureau, right? Okay.
Very good shirt.
Then what does this t-shirt mean? Hey, Randy. Okay, what is your t-shirt? Oh, it's Angry Bird.
Yeah,
杜兰教.
yeah. You can try to read it. You can try to read it.
All the 杜兰教.
What is wood breaker?
Woodbreaker. How much was this shirt? Where do you buy it from?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Not me.
Not yet.
Mockingbird. Is it making or mocking? Making.
Smacking. Well, nice 杜兰教 shirt. Ben says, use Tech in Asia's app today.
In the comment that I posted yesterday night.
Oh, okay. But either way, use Tech in Asia's app today. It's built by him.
But this ain't living, but we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
安迪啊，说安迪我也要。安迪这边，安迪我也要。
extra ingredient for you.
No what?
Extra ingredient.
No. Yeah. Hey, stop it. Secret. Hey, stop it. Later really drop inside. Cannot. There will be cells inside. I don't want.
Okay,
Can you quickly? I use it as thumbnail. No. Listen.
I'm recording you now.
What up, bitches?
That's how to get my followers.
By yelling, "What up, bitches?" What are you guys ordering?
What are you all getting?
Ice latte.
Really?
I was handed this. I don't know what to do with it.
People buying coffee. Wow, that really makes a good movie, yo.
Jacob, how much money do you owe people?
I'll tell you how much I make a month.
Okay, we can start with that. Then you can tell us how much you owe.
Not enough. Tell that guy over there.
That's real.
It's real interesting. Real interesting.
Oh yeah, Jacob said he doesn't make enough.
Nobody makes enough here.
And he said to tell you that.
It's the reality of life. Nobody makes enough here.
We have enough, Jacob. You need to learn to share. For example, the $10 you owe Ina, I think you should pay her back.
I'm sure this made for a real interesting video. Very interesting. I'm not trying to discourage you, but it's really interesting. I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of YouTube followers from this.
Same.
What up, bitches? Huh? What are you doing this for? I hate the world.
Tell my boss.
Okay, I won't tell you about.
Don't tell your boss you're stealing.
Why you ask such personal questions? Personal sensitive questions, oh my god.
Okay, another personal question. Why do you have so many colorful socks? Like every day you change a different like a
Every day I
different
change my
fancy.
socks? Yes, that's normal, I think. That's
Like-
for hygiene purposes.
Every day your socks changes design.
Yeah, they're different socks.
Yeah, but you have like a lot of socks.
Yeah, but actually a lot of them need to be replaced now because a lot of them have holes in them now.
Yeah.
So
Why do you have
they have
holes?
served their purpose.
Does Rachel eat socks?
No one's eating my socks. Because I've been using them for so long. So yeah. But I like wearing tacky socks. It's kind of my thing.
Where do you get your socks from?
Different places. It's actually surprisingly difficult to find, you know, interesting socks
Why?
that are not ridiculously expensive.
So what do you classify as an interesting sock?
Something that, you know, people point and say, hey, what's with your socks? As you have very clearly demonstrated, yes.
So where do you get your socks from?
Different
So
stores.
what's one secret place that no one knows sells fancy socks?
No, I think everyone knows where socks are sold. Actually, I don't know Singapore. I've never actually bought any socks in Singapore.
Oh,
so.
your socks are from the Dubai.
Yeah, these are socks from Dubai.
Oh, they're Dubaian socks.
Yeah. I mean, I know they're Dubaian. I think they're from like, some of them I think from like Topshop
China.
or New York or something like that.
Or they're Chinese socks.
No, they're possibly actually.
Oh, are we lost? Okay. What's one thing no one knows about you?
One thing no one knows about me.
Yeah.
If I tell you, then everyone will know. So
Yeah.
I don't want to tell you.
Okay, you're boring. Ina, what's one thing no one knows about you?
Nothing. Everyone knows everything about me.
Okay, these are very public people. One's too private and one's too public. Okay.
Hey Yanting, what's one thing people don't know about you?
I can move my ears.
Your ears?
Yeah.
With your hands?
No, wait,
It goes
like
on top of your head or something?
It detaches.
no, I have muscles in my ears.
You have muscles in your ears.
Yeah, that I can move them. I'll
Don't
show
we
you
all?
next
I
time.
know.
Huh?
Don't we all?
No, some people don't. Okay.
Imran, can you move your ears?
Like this.
Without touching them.
It's a bit no. I instead developed other skills in life instead of this. I went to school and shit, you know? I was like, which can I have a career with? School or moving my ears? Like, you know what? I think school's a
Why
better
not
option.
both? I have both. I guess I'm pretty educated.
You're pretty educated. I like how you're not sure. I guess I'm pretty educated. I don't know.
Okay.